Hello, hello, hello. How are you all? I am feeling so sleepy today. Okay, we have to see phylum chordata. Okay, phylum chordata. So this phylum chordata, this phylum chordata is quite different from the other phylum. There is a scientist, his name was Garstang. Okay, Garstang told that this phylum chordata probably evolved from the free swimming auricularian larva of the some echinoderm. Okay, means they say this phylum chordata evolved from echinoderm, right? Who told? Garstang told, right? Now what are the characteristics of chordata? Very simple, very nice. See students, let's compare the chordata. The chordata, the chordata is considered as most successful phylum. Most, why we are considering the highly successful phylum? We have a reason. At present, can you tell me which phylum study about themselves? Tell. Which phylum study about themselves? It is the only chordata who study about themselves. Yeah. So that's why you see, that's why they will be considered. They have such a level of intellectual. They are studying about themselves. They are studying about others. So that's why we say, okay, you are most successful. At present, who is ruling the earth? Who is deciding the fate of the earth? Who is destroying the earth? It is the phylum chordata only destroying the earth. Na? We human only destroyed, na bro. So we are most advanced. Okay. See students, see, focus here. Focus on the diagram. Now if you'll see the chordata, students, if you'll see this chordata, the chordata can different from other phylum. Other all phylum you take non chordata, how they are different, you see. First point is that they have notochord. Notochord present. So you may say that, sir, what is notochord? See, this notochord, is the solid, flexible, mesodermal origin. Rope-like structure. Rope-like structure. Okay. Solid, flexible, mesodermal origin, rope-like structure. Okay. Right or not? Rope-like structure it is. This notochord, this notochord actually it's provide. Hello. This notochord provides support to chordate. It is possible that notochord present whole life, but it must present at least one stage. At least it should be present in embryonic stage. Maybe if not present its whole life, so at least it should present embryonic stage. Like you see the example of human. In human it will be present, notochord will be present only in embryonic stage, right? Later it replaced by vertebral column. So every chordate have notochord at least one stage of life. Okay, and it provide dorsal support to body. Okay, where it's present, student? Dorsally present. Okay, non-chordate notochord present? Not present. Okay, now the notochord have 6 to 15 pairs of pharyngeal gill slits are present. In pharynx region gills are present. That is for filtration of water. Water will filter. In that water, whatever phytoplankton, zooplanktons are present, they will feed that. The animal will feed on that. Okay, in the non-chordate, in other phylum it's absent. Pharyngeal gill slits are absent. Obviously we have some exception, right, that we discussed already, right? Then after anus, tail present. This kind of tail is called post anal tail. Okay, the post anal tail is absent in non-chordate. So you may ask, sir, what is this post anal tail? What is their function? Very simple. This post anal tail is extension of vertebral column. Okay, post the end, this post anal tail, it will be always hollow from inside. It have vertebral bones, right? and it will extend even after ns also. Hello, have you saw cow have you seen seen cow have tail, yeah, cow have tail. This tail, have you observed that it's after ns actually? It's after ns. Here they have ns. They will throw dung and all here, digestive waste they will throw, and this is what their tail. Sometime will go near to the cow, they will slap you by this tail, isn't it or not? This is only post-anal tail. The post-anal tail is for balancing body. Yeah, it's for balancing body. Like we have our ear for balancing body, they have tail for balancing body, right? This post-anal tail is absent in non-chordate, right? Then they have heart also. We are not heartless, we are chordata, we are not heartless, but our heart is present ventral side. Okay, right? Non-chordate heart is present. If present, it's present dorsal side. One student was saying that, sir, if we have to see heartbeat of non-chordate, so we will put stethoscope on their back. Yes, we will put that perhaps. Okay, next, they have nerve cord, but in chordate nerve cord is dorsal. Okay, single, hollow. Okay, what is this nerve cord is? No, this nerve cord is the most dorsal structure. Even it is present dorsal to our notochord also, right? And we'll call it nerve cord. Nerve cord develop, hello students, this nerve cord developed during embryonic development, and later this nerve cord only develop into brain, and it's developed into spinal cord. It's developed into brain, and it's developed into spinal cord. Okay, okay or not? Right? This nerve cord, hello, this nerve ventral solid paired nerve cord present. Okay, student. Notochord, sorry, in non-chordate nerve cord if present, like you see cockroach have nerve cord. Okay, platyhelminth have nerve cord, but that nerve cord will be always solid. They will be not hollow like here. I mean, like chordate, they will not be hollow. Okay, another thing is paired. Okay, and another thing is ventrally located. Okay, so these are the main basic feature, these are the main difference between chordate and non-chordate. Okay, now last one is, last one is creatinine phosphate. See, in the muscles of the chordate, one compound present, creatinine phosphate. See, whenever instantly muscle needs some energy and they have not ATP, so ATP, obviously the ATP when they use the ADP was formed, right? Immediately this creatine phosphate will provide one phosphate group. They will use that phosphate group. Immediately they will form ATP, and the ATP will be used as a source of instant energy, right? So creatine phosphate provides source for the instant energy, right, in chordate. But in non-chordate, it is the arginine phosphate which do the same work, right? So we discussed here that chordate have notochord, right? Chordate have 6 to 15 pharyngeal gill slit. Chordate have post-anal tail. Chordate have heart. Chordate have dorsal, single, hollow nerve cord. Okay, creatine phosphate present. Clear, students? Clear or not? Hello, clear or not? What you are doing? Okay. Now you see here. Next one is next one is classification of chordates. Yes, let's see the classification of chordate. Hello, students. Suppose you went to one shop and I told you to bring 5 kg of vegetable. Okay, you taken one bag, you purchase vegetable. Immediately your mother called that buy 5 kg onion, right? Now you need another bag or not, so you purchase another bag, you taken 5 kg onion. Then your auntie called you, buy one watermelon to me. Okay, purchase another bag, you taken their watermelon, right? So when one bag is not, I mean, your requirement is not possible to fulfill in one bag, you are buying some other bags also. In same way, we have kingdom. Hello students, we have kingdom, we have phylum, we have class, we have order, we have family, we have genus, we have species. Kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Right? Right or not? But even after that also sometimes we require some other criteria. So chordata phylum we divided into two group. One is acraniata, another one is craniata. This acraniata, divided into two subphylum. First one is urochordata, second one is cephalochordata. Urochordata and second one is cephalochordata. Clear or not? And then they divided into the another group, that is craniata. This craniata have, five. This craniata have this craniata means what? Hello, what is difference between a craniata and craniata? Our craniata have not I have our craniata have brain box, cranium present. In that cranium they say their brain is presented the protected way. That same kind of brain box is absent here in a craniata. A means absent, cranium absent here, right? We divided them into urochordata and cephalochordata. Now this craniata have at present only one phylum, and that is phylum vertebrata. Isn't it or not? This is subphylum vertebrata. Sorry, subphylum present vertebrata. Okay. Now this vertebrata, they divided into two division. One is agnatha, another one is gnathostomata. What is this agnatha? Tell. Bolo. What is agnatha? Hello. A means absent. Gnatha means jaw. These guys have not jaw like you. You don't have jaw. You don't have jaw. You have two jaw bones, three jaw bones. Okay, you have two jaw, upper and lower jaw, three jaw bones are present, two maxilla, one mandible. Okay, but these innocent guys, cyclostomata, class cyclostomata, they don't have jaw, right? Next one is division. Next division is our gnathostomata. Gnatha means jaw, stomia means mouth. In mouth jaw present, in your mouth jaw present. Check. Yes, yes. Check. Gnathostomata. Yes, jaw present. Right. Now this gnathostomata we divided into two superclass. One is Pisces, right? Another one is Tetrapoda. This Pisces, means all fishes. Chondric thighs, cartilaginous fishes. Ostick thighs, bony fishes. Okay, tetrapoda. And then next superclass is tetrapoda. This chondric thigh and ostick thigh, they are class actually. They are class. So phylum chordata, we have to study till class level, right? And then we have tetrapoda. This tetrapoda, tetra means four, poda means appendages. So they have four appendages. You have appendage, bro? Yes, you have appendage. You have also appendages. How many? Two hand, two legs, total four appendages are present. So amphibians have also four appendages, reptile have also four appendages, birds have also four appendages, and mammals, check yourself, four appendages are present. So they all are tetrapoda. So in this video we discuss actually what is difference between not chordate and non-chordate, right? And then we classify chordate first in group, then in subphylum, and then again in the division, right? And then superclass and then class. Okay, remaining we will see in next class. Tata, bye bye. La 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 la, meow meow.